Hey, what's up guys? My name is Harshal Mavani, and in this video we learn the crucial difference between overriding and hiding. And as usual, all of this in 5 minutes. Damn, we need to include a star in our in 5 minutes. So all of this in 5 minutes with a star. Alright guys, let's get started. So what I have here with me is a sample program that we will be working on. We have the parent class, we have the child class, and we have the main class. As usual, we will demonstrate our functionality in a different way, in a modular way. So this is going to be the functionality part, and this will be the driver part, which just runs our program. Let's just go ahead and add a few methods. To be specific, I want to add instance method. So let's just go ahead and add a few methods. Let's have a instance method and a static method. So we have public void instance method, and we'll also have a public static void. Let's call this a class method, and let me just copy paste it over here down in the child class. And after doing that, we can claim that we have overridden both the methods, that is the instance method and the class method. So as the definition suggests, that overriding is nothing but having the same function in the parent class as well as the child class. Something important that we are missing over here is the extends keyword, which will enable inheritance. So extends parent over, that's it. And by doing so, I have now, well, not technically speaking, but on the superficial aspect, we have overridden the class method, that is the static method, and the instance method as well. But have we really overridden the static method? Let's try and find out. So this is the question that we will be answering, that can we actually override a static method? And if so, then how's the behavior? How do you expect it to behave? So let's just have a look. So we just have a couple of system out println statements over here, which will indicate which class we are in, which method we are in to be specific. Let's just have a brief revision of overriding. So if I want to demonstrate overriding, what I'll do is I'll create the child object, which is child over co is equal to new child over, and I'll try accessing the overridden method, which is the overridden instance method in this case, because we're not discussing the class method as of now. So let's just call the instance method, in which case the instance method over here is the instance method itself. So co dot instance method, it's a method, so I call it, so I use the parenthesis, and let's just see how's the output. So I have my cmd up and running. Let me just paste in my commands, which is java c space over versus hiding.java, and of course we have our run command, which is java space over versus hiding, and we have instance method of child invoked. So let's have a look. So this is overriding, as we have discussed before. Now let's take a look at hiding itself. Hiding comes into the picture when you are trying to override static methods. Syntactically, it's fine. Java won't stop you from overriding your static methods. You can have a static method in your parent class, and you can have a static method in your child class as well. But is that really overriding? And no, that's not overriding. What you're doing is you're just providing a new method inside your child class, and the resolution of the method you just used will strictly be based on the reference type. So let's have a look at that. Now, so what if I have parent over po is equal to new parent over? In this case also, if I do po dot instance method, it's quite clear that the call will go into the instance method of the parent class rather than the child class, because there is no child class involved in this particular declaration. But how about a declaration like this: parent over is equal to new child over? We know this is quite possible because parent p is equal to new child is possible. However, child c is equal to new parent is not possible. That's if you recall our car example, we can say that all BMWs are cars, but all cars are not BMWs. So here in such a definition, when I do po dot instance method, this call is resolved based on the type of the object being pointed to. So let's try to visualize what's happening.